guys, this is Pallavi and welcome back to my channel. We are going to our apartment pandal. Welcoming the Sethji and Sethani. What an introduction. How do you feel after losing?
I have become third.
So Durga Puja has officially begun. You've already noticed my new hairstyle. I got this cut yesterday. Today is actually the Saptami, so I could not vlog much yesterday. It was Shashti yesterday and I had originally planned that I'll start the vlogging yesterday itself, but the housework was still going on. It was very dusty.
Hi guys, since our housework is going on, I'm cooking here like this. I made all the food today.
You made all the food. What a big liar.
I made everything and now this is the last type of food which I'm making. This is begun bhaja.
Yeah, and we have to sit in the odd because we cannot switch on the fan because the gas will blow off if we switch on the fan. So it's really hot and she's making
my
me do the
sister
vlog.
has got a new haircut today. I got the facial done and my sister got a new haircut done. She customized it.
It's not called anything.
It is a customized haircut that she has got. This is the new iPhone which Rishit has gifted me for your birthday.
Why did you decide to give iPhone?
iPhone, she does not understand anything other than iPhone.
Where are you giving us the treat?
Ramadan.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Yay!
It is white.
There was no other color available, although I wanted red, but yeah, I like it.
In fact, till today morning, we were busy in only cleaning up the house. It is 1 o'clock now. I just took bath. I just got ready. We will be going down now. Durga Puja is actually being celebrated in our apartment. So it's really exciting when I'm at home. I will go down in some time. We'll get our lunch down today in those handis. So look guys, we changed our sofa covers. We are yet to put on the new curtains. And I'll quickly show you guys my outfit now. This is my outfit for the day. I don't know if the whole thing is coming. And if you guys remember, these were the earrings which I wore in Janmashtami. I showed it to you guys when I got it. We are going to our apartment pandal.
She is super lazy.
Let's do a quick OOTD. Can you show your outfit for the day? Wow. A close-up of your makeup. Very
I did
nice.
whatever I could have.
You have done everything. Come now.
It's all the same, highs and lows.
This is my
highs and
mother
lows.
sitting here with her gang and chatting. Hi guys, it is Saptami, right? Yeah. It is Saptami evening today and we are all ready. Look at our Desi girl clicking pictures.
Hi everyone.
Your full view is not coming. Come here.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
We are not going to go to any pandals today since there are restrictions. Police is sitting on all the pandals. We'll just go have dinner and come back.
All your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
My mom has put so much makeup today. She has put highlighter and
It is for her.
yes. Eta ki? This is my father. He is wearing a new t-shirt.
And he is very excited about the Jhumar.
Jhumar? That Jhumar?
It is very pretty.
Yes.
2 lakhs.
This couple is looking like Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. Ah! Cheers!
Just the thingy for her job. Thanks for the treat.
This is not my treat.
What a refreshing uncle.
Ah. Look at the Indian thali, guys. I cannot even cover it in one frame. Oh, there's more. Roti. अभी नहीं स्टार्ट किया है. हाँ, आप इधर रख दो. Thank you. Welcoming the Seth ji and Sethani. Malaga. चौकी लग सेठ सेठानी सेठ सेठानी दांत फाड़ो. मनीलाल उनके पास बहुत पैसा है. नाम क्या जी?
वैसे तो नाम बता रहा हूँ ना.
उनका नाम क्या है?
बादाम भाई.
बादाम भाई.
क्यों बादाम भाई क्यों?
बादाम भाई.
देखो तो कहीं फूट हुआ है
बादाम भाई.
इनका भी लेने चाहिए. छोटी
एक
बादाम.
और मैडम जी का एक और.
We are done with our dinner. We'll head back now, and we're very tired. I'm very sleepy. I just I can't wait to go home and get on my bed. It was a really busy morning, so I could not vlog much in the morning. But now we've come down to take our bhog. I'm going to the pandal, and I'll show you my outfit in the pandal. This lazy girl also wore sari in the morning, but she
I
unfortunately changed it, so you could not see her look with the sari. You can see me. Laziest. And this
And
is also,
why have you pleated this side?
no, I pleated in the middle only. Our remote battery has died, so we are going to get a new battery for our remote.
Let's go.
Guys, this is my sister and my Jiju, who is not aware what is OOTD.
What an introduction.
मैं बालक तू माता शेरावाली है टूटी नाता
Look here. मैं बालक Look here. Our selfie. Wait. Photo खींचना. Give your.
दिन बाती दिया तू कैसे
You people talk something.
Happy Navami, guys. So it's been raining the entire morning and we've just been waiting for the rain to go away. I came to the terrace because it was really noisy at my place because of the puja going on down, but I don't think it made much of a difference. It's really noisy. I'll just do a quick OOTD and then I'll head down. That's our puja pandal in the apartment. Our parking area, more parking area. That is bel ka podha. Fish fingers.
This is garlic chicken. This is
Basanti pulao.
and that is the mustard sauce with fish finger.
And what about this? Oh, we've already. This is homemade chicken.
Yes.
Dadam third এসছে out হয়ে গেছে. How do you feel after losing?
I have become third.
You have lost it.
I have not lost.
Losing is not the problem.
You have lost.
जादू